Yo, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be discussing about actually we will be looking at how did I create the sign-in page of my React Native project. So once again, this is a chat app called Nebula. So here in the previously we have talked about how a user can sign up to this application. Now we are going to talk about how a user can sign in to the account that they have created. Okay, so here as you can see, like I have used the same gradient talked in the previous video as the background, and I have achieved this by using a library called linear gradient, React Native linear gradient. So this is a npm library which you could install by running an npm command. And as props, I have given two colors, and yeah, and I have set, I think, the background index as flex 1, and yeah, I have set the align items to center and justify content to center to make all the components center vertically and horizontally, as you could see in this in the screen. Okay, so I have used native base as to style the UI, as you could see. So to use so in order to use native base, you need to wrap the it wrap all the components inside this native base provider JSX component, except for safe area view. For the safe area view, you don't need to wrap around this, but for the other components, you need to wrap native base provider with them. Okay, as you could see, like I have displayed an image here, the chat apps logo. So this is the logo that I have shown in here, and I have given some styles to this, and so the width is 130 pixel density and height is 113 pixel density. So I have given some border radius here to make it round, and yeah, so after that I have styled the inputs by passing like props like font family, font size, border radius, border color. As you can see, like the border color is blue here, and I have also given like an input I have also given like icon inside the input field. So to do that, you can pass a prop here as an input left element, and inside that you could pass an icon or an image you want to display in here. So these icons I have installed from React Native vector icons. So as you could see, so I have imported like couple of icons here from React Native vector icons. So that is also an npm library which you could install into your project. And yeah, and after that I have styled buttons, one button here. So I have given like a border width here and a border color, and let's see how I given like class inside the style sheet. So not class like a prop like, right? Yeah. So I have given like given a padding horizontal here, and I have made the sign in text align to the center both horizontally and vertically, as you could see here. And I have given like a margin top and height for this button, and after that so here I have also used a pressable here, and I have made the text underline, text decoration line underline here. That's why this text have an underline here. And yeah, all these fonts are all the text shown in here have font family called Signica Light, as you can see in here. And yeah, that's like the basic overview for the design. Now we can talk about the backend part of the chat sign-in page, sign-in screen. So I have used like two state variables called mobile and password, and by default I have given an empty string to these state variables. And yeah, so inside the input JSX components I have defined a prop call on change text, and called the setter function of each setter function of above state variables, set mobile and set password. So in here I have called set mobile, and in here I have called set password. One thing I forgot to mention that I set, as you could see, like I have set like the password field is encrypted, so I have passed the prop call secure text entry to be true. And yeah, so, and for the mobile number I have made the keyboard type numeric in here, because the mobile number can only contain digits. And now let's get back into the backend part. Actually like the functionality of the part, not the backend. So where after you have given like a mobile number and a password for your account, you have to press the sign in button, and after pressing the sign in button a sign in function is called. So inside the sign in function I have defined a form, and in form I have passed for the key value mobile the mobile state variable, and for the key value password for the password key I have passed the password state variable. And I have sent a post request to this the server local server. The page is signin.php, and let's see what I have done inside the signin.php page. Okay, first of all, we have captured the uh, the pass variables from the client side to the server side. So this is like the backend process, and yeah, so we have stopped like any SQL injection attacks here by escaping any special characters which might get entered when some hacker tried to break into our chat app. And I have done some couple of input validations here, like you can't keep the mobile number empty, as you could see. Like this gives an error, this gives an error, and yeah, so the mobile number should always have like 10 digits. So this checks that if the mobile number have 10 characters, or else it gives an error. And so this checks if the password is empty or not, whether the password is empty or not, and this checks if the password is the characters of passwords are between 5 and 20, or else this gives an error. And after that, so if the user proceeds to here, that means that the user have entered the data almost successfully. Now we have to only check if the given mobile number matches, if the given mobile number and the password matches any records from the database. And if all said and done, this array, we are getting the array from we are getting this row from array. Let me show you. Here's the database. So we are getting one of these rows. So we are getting the row that matches to the given mobile number and password as an array by using the fetch_assoc method. And fetch_assoc function, and we are encoding that as a JSON text, and we are outputting that as JSON text here. So after that, so if the server doesn't echo any errors, you get a JSON text, and the JSON text will be sent to the async storage of the app, and the async storage of the JSON text would be sent to async storage of the app under the key user, as you could see here. And after all of that, user would be navigated to the home screen here. Okay, and I think I have described the functionality of this of the sign in page. So thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you again next time. Peace.